Direct replacement. This roof marker light assembly exactly matches the fit and appearance of the original light unit. Quality materials. This roof marker light is made from UV-resistant polymers for durability and a long service life. Cost-effective solution. Offers original equipment fit and function at a competitive price. Quality tested. This lamp unit has been vehicle try-on tested to confirm accurate fit and ease of installation. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. A cracked, hazy or leaking roof marker light can lead to dot or state inspection failure. This direct replacement roof marker light assembly restores the appearance and functionality of the original lamp to ensure proper operation. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly. Fit my 2016 Ram ProMaster 3500 perfectly. Lamp is a little bit more orange than originals but could be sun fading on the existing ones.